Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need a current Mac OS, an Apple ID, and a Microsoft account. Make sure you have 1020 GB free. Once ready, choose the App Store path for simplicity or go to Microsoft to use a subscription or free trial. Both work. Start by signing into the App Store with your Apple ID or sign into Microsoft in Safari to access your account and license. This first step gets the installer and verifies your subscription, so do it before moving on to installation. Once the installer is downloaded, open the PKG or click Get in the App Store and allow Mac OS permissions. You'll be prompted for your admin password. Install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook by following the prompts, accept terms, choose default install location, and wait for files to copy. After installation, open any Office app and sign in with your Microsoft account to activate your license. Make sure to run Microsoft Auto Update afterward, so apps stay current and secure. You'll finish by signing into an Office app to activate your Microsoft 365 subscription. This links the apps to your account and enables cloud features. If activation fails, sign out, restart your MacBook Air, and sign back in. Cached credentials often cause problems. If apps crash or won't update, run Microsoft Auto Update from Help, then reinstall Office if needed. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, remove Office credentials from Keychain Access and re-enter them. That often resolves lingering activation or sign-in errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.